Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says, pick out the examples of active immunity. Option A, newborn baby from colostrum. Option B, injection after snake bite. Option C, hepatitis vaccine. Option D, both B and C. Now let us understand the question. It says, pick out the examples of what? Examples of active immunity. Okay, first of all, we have to understand what is active immunity. Now, when we divide, we know, right? Immunity is nothing but the defensive mechanism which we have in our body to fight against various diseases, or you can say the pathogen. You have two types of immunity, active and passive immunity. Okay? Active and passive immunity. Now, when we say active immunity, here there should be exposure to, prior exposure is necessary, exposure to antigen, or you can say it is antigen, or you can say the pathogen. Okay, prior exposure is necessary, and it takes little long time. It takes long time to be recognized, and then what is do? It produces antibodies. It produces antibodies against these antigens. So here the cells, that is the WBCs, the lymphocytes participates. The lymphocytes participate, but then it will take time for it to respond. Okay? Mostly, like it needs an exposure to either dead or alive pathogen. Okay, that is active immunity. Whereas passive immunity, here here you can say readily available or ready-made antibodies are given. Ready-made antibodies are given. Or antibodies are administered, and the effect is immediate. Why? Because they're already present, but here it has to take time to identify the antigen. It has to have further recruit the lymphocytes, further multiplication of the lymphocytes, then secretion of the antibodies or the production of antibodies, and then attack. But here readily available antibodies are produced, hence immediate response. Immediate response. Now let us see. Option A says newborn baby from colostrum. Newborn baby from colostrum. Colostrum is a thick milk which is or liquid milk, or the first liquid which is produced after delivery. Okay, and that will be highly it will contain high amount of IgA. That is the antibody. So here the baby is getting readily available antibody. So this will be passive immunity. Hence it is ruled out because we are looking for active immunity. Option B says injection after snake bite. Injection after snake bite, here they give snake bite, it does secrete, or you can say it induces what, or it injects the venom, right? So we have to give anti-venom antibody. Anti-venom antibody is given. So when antibody is given, again readily it is available, and hence it will be directly it is acting. So hence this also belongs to passive immunity. Option C says hepatitis vaccine. So hepatitis vaccine, it can be like any part of the pathogen, or a dead pathogen, or you can say any part of the pathogen. So here pathogen is pathogen or its part. Its part is injected in the body. So this will, of course, this will take time, and here active immunity play a role because that is the antigen, right? This pathogen is nothing but the antigen, foreign body. So that has to be recognized, then further antibodies have to be produced. So that will come under active immunity. Hence option C is the correct answer. Option D says both B and C, which is incorrect because B is incorrect. So what is the answer? The answer is option C. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.